dispute letters for each derogatory item. And so all you have to do is just print. So now what we're going to do is we're going to delve into it and take a look at how it works and how it functions. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look now. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to extract the credit report here. And so we'll wait maybe like 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. And then after that, we'll see the derogatory items inside of Chess. And then I'll show you how to utilize it so you can basically go ahead and dispute the derogatory items. All right. So right now we're just waiting. All right. So as you see here, it says success. Credit report updated and disputes are ready. So now, this is the very powerful thing about Chess. Everything is already assigned. Okay. So as soon as you dispute and you